Well, some scattered showers and storms tonight, ushering the winds of change. Meteorologist Kate Bilo here to talk about some much cooler temperatures and a windy day ahead tomorrow. Hi, Kate.
Hi, Jessica. Yeah, tomorrow is one of those days. If it's a trash day for you, make sure you don't bring those trash cans in early because they're going to be halfway down the block before you remember to drag them in. Tomorrow's winds are not only going to be an annoyance, but could even be dangerous. We could be talking down tree branches and power lines, and a high wind warning has already been issued for the region. You can see Center City still dealing with some showers right now. You can see the drops blurring the camera lens slightly as we look down 16th Street towards Center City. 69 degrees, feels like 69 degrees. Winds are still strong out of the west-southwest at about 13 miles per hour. So we've got clouds, some showers. Today we hit 80 for the high, more than 10 degrees above average. Still 10 degrees from the record, which was also 90, like yesterday's record, but this one's a lot older, from 1888. That record will stand. Storm Scan 3, though, shows this large-scale frontal system, which is impacting much of the northeast. Heavy rain up across portions of Maine. You can see the actual cold front is progressing through the region right now. We will clear out tomorrow, but a strong pressure gradient around the back edge of this system is going to really get those winds kicking throughout the day tomorrow. And right now you can see there is a band of some pretty significant showers just east of Philadelphia, moving through the Pemberton area, Washington Township, Camden, Gloucester, Salem counties in New Jersey, and a couple of scattered showers still back to the west. This is likely what was moving through Philadelphia, Rittenhouse Square, at the top of our broadcast with Alicia Roberts standing outside. You can hear the rain coming down in a pretty good clip. It has started to push east, and overnight we'll see these showers diminish, and tomorrow you will wake up to sunshine. But tomorrow's not going to be the rain, it's going to be the wind that is the story. Winds howling all day. There may even be a late night snow shower or flurry, if you can believe that, in the Poconos or the Lehigh Valley tomorrow night into Saturday morning. That's the difference. So tonight, still some scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, gusty winds, 58 degrees tonight. Tomorrow, the winds howl all day. It's a cooler day, still seasonable, 68 degrees. Right about where we should be. Maybe a passing shower, but it's the winds, again, that are the story. Gusts to 50+ miles per hour. So it's much cooler, strong wind gusts, a couple of passing showers, but we will see some sunshine. Winds, though, howl all day from morning through night, and we have a high wind warning in effect for the entire area. Gusts in some spots could reach up to 60 miles per hour. That's strong enough to lead to some sporadic power outages. So tomorrow is blustery, then Saturday breezy, cooler to start the month of May, but still a pretty amazing spring day. If you like it warmer, you'll like Sunday. Partly sunny at 80. We'll keep it warm next week with a better chance for a few scattered showers. Yuki, we'll send it back over to you.
All right, Kate, thank you.